Did you know there's a tiny seed that's been used for over 2,000 years, even mentioned by Prophet Muhammad, Saud and it's known as the cure for everything except death? Yes, we're talking about black seed oil. From skin glow to hair growth, from immunity boost to pain relief, black seed oil is a powerhouse you need in your life. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful uses of black seed oil that will blow your mind. Make sure to stay till the end to learn the best way to use it for each purpose. Boosts immunity. Black seed oil is rich in antioxidants and thymoquinone, a compound that fights inflammation and boosts your immune system. Just a teaspoon a day keeps the flu away. How to use. Take 1 teaspoon on an empty stomach. Updated. Reduces joint pain suffering from arthritis or back pain. Black seed oil has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling and pain naturally. How to use. Massage warm black seed oil on painful joints twice a day. Enhances memory brain health. Feeling forgetful? Studies suggest black seed oil improves cognitive function and may help protect against Alzheimer's. How to use. Mix 1 to 2 tsp of oil with honey in the morning. Improves digestion. Black seed oil helps with bloating, gas, and indigestion. It supports healthy gut bacteria and eases stomach discomfort. How to use. Mix with warm water and drink before meals. Promotes hair growth. Say goodbye to hair fall. Black seed oil strengthens follicles, reduces dandruff, and encourages thick, healthy hair. How to use. Massage into scalp 3 times a week. Leave overnight. Clears acne brightened skin. Due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory nature, black seed oil fights acne and makes your skin radiant. How to use. Mix with aloe vera gel and apply as a face mask. Supports heart health. Thymoquinone in black seed oil helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and improves circulation, keeping your heart happy. How to use. 1-2 tsp daily with warm water or salad. Improves sleep quality. Having trouble sleeping? The calming effect of black seed oil may help you sleep deeper and wake up fresh. How to use. Take 1 tsp with honey before bedtime. Treats allergies. Asthma black seed oil acts as a natural antihistamine, helping those with asthma, sinus issues, or seasonal allergies. How to use. Take orally and inhale steam with a few drops added. Fights infections. From sore throats to skin infections, black seed oil has antimicrobial power to fight off bacteria and viruses. How to use. Gargle with oil mix or apply topically on wounds. Important notes. Warnings. Always use cold-pressed organic black seed oil. Start with small doses to check for allergic reactions. Not recommended during pregnancy without medical advice. So, which of these uses surprised you the most? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health secrets from nature. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our weekly health videos. Stay healthy, naturally. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult your doctor before using black seed oil for treatment.